So we've had a friend come by in the morning needing help with the top. We have ended up swapping all hydraulic cylinders and the pump. We've never seen a C70 in action before, never seen the top moving on it before, needed to learn it all. We made a video on how to manually open and close the top. We took many retakes of things that went wrong during filming, and still we got everything swapped in one day. So with the help of this video, we hope that anybody reasonably talented mechanically or your shop will be able to swap these hydraulics very quickly. So let's just, for fun, see the top open. Gotta push the brake.